Hello, I'm Jake Whitaker, and today I'm going to be discussing AR, augmented reality, and VR, virtual reality, in Germany. But before we get started, what's the difference between the two? What are they? Well, AR is a technology that morphs the mundane, the physical world, into a more colorful, more visual one by projecting virtual pictures and characters through a phone's camera or video viewer onto the physical world. Augmented reality is merely adding to the user's real-life experience. VR, on the other hand, takes these same components to another level and produces an entirely computer-generated simulation of an alternate world. They can do this through special equipment such as computers, sensors, headsets, and even gloves. So who in Germany is using AR and VR? Well, just the easy answer is everyone. But as far as companies goes, this includes Reflect, Siemens Energy, Anima Res, and even a company called Headgear. So why are they using AR and VR in Germany? Well, they're using it to enhance training. They're using it to create a more immersive gaming environment, improve their marketing, engineering, and services. And they're also using it to boost manufacturing. So where are they using AR and VR in Germany? Well, if we're going to talk about industries, the industries where we see the most AR and VR used is going to be the classic creative media businesses, healthcare, even automotive and finance, and entertainment. So really, AR, VR is just being used in all areas, from the classrooms to hospitals and even in museums. So when do the Germans use AR and VR? Again, the simple answer is all the time. But just to kind of hit home on this point is that right now in Germany, there are more than 124,000 IT-related jobs waiting to be filled. And also, by 2030, VR technology is expected to boost German GDP by 24.7 billion euros. So it's already adopted in Germany, and it's just going to keep being used all the time. So how are the Germans using AR and VR to solve issues related to the UN's 17 Sustainable Development Goals? Well, one company called Telestar, or rather a project called Telestar, which has coined the next step, AR for surgical training, is actually using AR to record operations so they can be then used for teaching purposes. And another project, a German software company, developed a VR training simulation for ventilators. Obviously, this was really important when COVID was in full swing. So by these projects, we see that Germany is addressing the UN goal number 3, which is good health and well-being. Now I'm going to close out this video with 2 truths and a lie about German AR and VR. Germany is the second largest VR AR ecosystem in Europe. Germany is also facing a knowledge gap, specifically for the cutting-edge skills that VR and AR development requires. Despite advancements, Germany is still not one of the top contributors to the global VR/AR market. That's 2 truths and a lie, and that's AR and VR in Germany. Thank you.